Hey guys, this is Erik from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and guess what? We built another modern Bronco. I'm going to give you a quick little tour and show you what this bad boy is all about. We designed one of the most functional and innovative front bumpers that the Bronco market's ever seen, and this customer added it with the modular brush guard and four 4.7-inch LED lights, so he's got plenty of lights on that trail. You can never have too much lighting when you got a Bronco, and we've got two more 4.7-inch LEDs right up here by the mirrors to get them up off the ground so it lights up the night. We provide a couple different graphics options on our Broncos, and this customer selected our adventure stripe in gray. Accents that black Bronco and it looks super cool. You'll see the ever popular classic Bronco script badging on each side and our throwback fender flares that feature hex heads running throughout each flare that kind of turn back the clock and make you feel like you're in a classic Bronco. Now, if you have a Bronco, you gotta have the right stance, and it's provided here by our lift kit that lifts this 4 inches above base and is made by our friends at BDS Suspension. This one features our heavy-duty upper control arms. So you can smash 37-inch tires and brand new wheels underneath it, and it gives you that stance that everybody wants. Now, this customer has a hard top and he wanted extra luggage storage above the vehicle. So this one features our roof rack that bolts into the provisions right here on the front of the windshield frame and the back of the hard top. I wonder what he's going to put up here. One of people's favorite features on a classic Bronco are powered side steps. Well, we can do that on the modern Broncos as well, which gives you the side step you need to get in and out of the vehicle safely and without extra pain, because I'm getting old. My hip hurts. So those are just a few of the features that we added to this Bronco for our customer, Haley. Haley, we're ready to ship this bad boy and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for choosing Maxlider for your modern, badass custom Bronco. Enjoy it, and if you want a Bronco, give us a call. Maxlider Jeff will hook you up and we'll get you on the trails or on the road as soon as we possibly can, because driving a Bronco on the trails is fun and it's really hot out today, and so I'm having a really hard time concentrating. Do I look a little sweaty? I feel hot. Okay.